Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ronnie. So I am back with another hair video today. I am planning on making like a pixie cut style wig. I honestly don't know what I'm about to do. It's about to be a trial and error. It's about to be it's about to be a whole bunch of stuff going. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel down below. And let's get into the video.
I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you care, done. I want my, I want my, I want my nails done. I want my, I want my, I want my, I want my hair done, my hair, and if you care, done.
So the materials that I have this hair. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It's an ombre F430. So it's like a brown with like the 30 streaks in it. And then since I wanted like a part in my hair, I have an old frontal. So I have two frontals. Okay, so I have this one and it's already blonde. Like it's just it's an old wig that I made. If you haven't checked out that video, you should go check it out. It's in my blonde wig failed. And then I have my old black frontal, just a regular frontal too. So I'm going to start with the bottom of the hair, and I'm going to glue it using this. And then eventually, once I get to like the frontal, I have an extra bundle. It's 8 inches, I believe. It's from AliPearl. I had this actually from when I made this wig. It's just an extra bundle that I had, so I'm gonna sew it in the front. I'm gonna show what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna sew into the front just so I can get like more of a fuller look at the top. And I'll probably add some streaks to it just so it's not like plain black in it. And then yeah, let's get into the video. So this is how much I have so far. I mean, it's pretty thick and full. I think after, I'm sorry, I don't know if you can tell, it's like they're not actually mixed in together, the colors. It's like a blonde strip and then a 30 strip like this. So it's like they're layered on top of each other, which actually blends pretty nicely. And then I'm folding them and kind of like make the colors blend a little bit better. But I'm gonna go in later once I finish, and I'm gonna trim that hair up just so it gets more like that natural kind of look. But this is where we're at now. So I think I'm gonna keep going a little bit further higher Yeah, because I have a lot to go. And then I'm gonna add the closure in. So, I mean, pretty much all I'm doing is putting the glue on it and then putting the strip on it and holding it down. So, I think I'm just gonna fast forward until I get to probably about midway, and then I'm gonna come back. So I think I'm going to take the flat iron or curling iron and curl this top part a little bit. I think I want to add some like of the darker streaks at the top too, just so it has like more of a highlight instead of just like blonde and then straight black in the back. But I might try it on too to see how it looks. I don't really know, but let's see. So this is how it looks so far. I have the cut. I'm about to cut underneath the lace so it doesn't look as bulky. But I think I want to cut some of this too, and then add some, like something up here, just so it's like more fuller. But I think I need to cut a little bit around here too to make it a little bit more natural looking, like around the sides. I don't know, but like make it full, but kind of like a. Well, I don't know. Let me cut the black band off and then, yeah. Alright, so this is what I'm working with for now. Like, this looks cute. It's just this frontal that's irritating me. Like, do y'all really think I could pull this off? I want it to look kind of natural looking. But I think I'm gonna add some more to this top part, this frontal up here, just to make it a little bit more fuller. So it's kind of like a, I don't know, I kind of want it down in my face, but then I kind of want it like, just, it looks crazy right now. But I think I'm about to, I think I'm gonna try and figure a little something out. Add some hair, and then I'll probably curl it too. We'll figure something out. So I added some more hair between, like I added some more of these, like the little dark black strips at the top of it to give it like more of a layer. And then I took my flat iron and I, flat ironed it. I curled it up to give it like a bump. And then, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling like down. I feel like I'm giving like real Carrie Hilson vibes right now. But I just want it to look natural, and I don't know. I don't know. Please tell me, please let me know what you guys think. Like, I think I'm gonna flat iron it some more. I don't know if I should add, I'm definitely gonna curl this some more. But like, let me show you. So like, I went in, you see like the black strip, I just sewed in a couple black, or not black, like brown strips. So like, I just want it to look natural looking. I feel like this side, I'm like, yes. But then this side, it's like, what are you doing? No. Without earrings and lip gloss, I look like I went through a bad breakup. But let's see. I don't know. Maybe after I curl this. Let's curl this some more. It doesn't look... It doesn't look too bad, honestly. I think after I cut off, because it was some of these, I cut a couple of them off just so it's not like flying everywhere. I think it doesn't look too bad, honestly. But I didn't braid my hair underneath of it either, so it's not necessarily not flat as it could be. But I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's flat iron this. Okay, so y'all tell me if I look like Carrie Hilson. So I honestly just keep playing around with it, trying to just see what looks best. But I'm a student, and it's books first. So I'm gonna play with it again tomorrow, and I'm gonna add some baby hairs and maybe like curl it again, and then hopefully it looks better when I beat my face too. So let's see. Hey guys, so that's the end of this video. This was the final look on the wig. I'm gonna insert some pictures and videos on how I've been wearing the hair. This is about maybe my third time wearing it. So it's okay. I think I like it. It looks a little natural. It can still use a little this side. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. And make sure you leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.